In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to use the parking brake on a 2021 Volkswagen Jetta. It's a pretty simple process. It's going to be located right here in the center console of the vehicle. There's a little P here. That's the parking brake. To set it, you're just going to give it a nice pull there. You'll hear a little noise and then it will light up there. On the dash, you'll also see another indicator that says park. That means the parking brake is set. To turn the parking brake off, all you're going to do is push on the brake pedal with your foot. At the same time, you push down on this. That's going to turn the parking brake off. You'll notice that that light turns off. And then also on the dash, the parking indicator turns off as well. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple process. If you thought this was helpful, please consider subscribing. It helps us make more videos just like this. Give the video a like, comment with any questions. Thanks for watching.